Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Front Yard Creating Corner Lot Landscape Idea for Invite Backyard. Introducing your front yard is the first impression visitor have of your home and for corner lot it's an opportunity to make a statement from multiple angles with thoughtful landscape you can transforming your corner lot into a welcome oasis that not only enhance cup appear but also maximize the potential of your backyard space. Here we explored innovations, landscape idea, tailored specifically for corner lot paint. Your home stood out in the neighborhood, embracing multi-dimensional designing. Corner lot often unique landscape opportunity due to their explored to multi-state instead of focal solely on one side create a concise design that flow seamless area that property incorporating elements such as window part away state going place plants and focal point like sanctuary or waterfall functional to gather the eyes and create various material for all enjoy. Define boundary with hardscape. Clean define your property boundary and create demo between publish and provide space with boundary focal. Law wall decoration panel or even a rustic charm peak panel can elevate your front yard wheel, add chaptering and charm to your corner lot, introducing gate or eat to invite guests into your outdoor sanctuary. Create a focal point. Capture, attach, and draw the eyes with a strike focal point In your corner front lawn, consider a unique setting, a colorful flower bed and multi landscape 3 as the centerpiece of your design. By attach your landscape area or focal point, you will create a scene of size and popular in your outdoor space, incorporating seasoning color, add vibrant and seasoning interior to your corner lot with a thoughtful, clean select of plants and flowers. Choose a mix of panel that blend at different time throughout the year of your rule color and various appear. Include seasoning accounts such as different pot to hin broke enhance the beauty of your corner lot. Design functional outdoor space, transforming your front yard into an stand of your living space by incorporating functional outdoor area for relax and entertainment. Create choosy stick note with comfortable branching to add cheer warmth. You can unwind and enjoy the beauty of your surrounding. Instead, a bungalow or tailor to provide shade and suit and consider add a field pot or outdoor kitchen for attached design and gathering with family and friend. Eliminate with outdoor light. Extend the enjoyment to your corner lot into the evening hour